On the daily maintenance, we want to make sure that we are greasing all of our bearings and the critical points on the machine. We've tried to make it as simple as possible. Human nature. The harder it is to get in and grease something, the less likely it's going to be to grease. So we've tried to move things out so it's easy to get to. For example, the front bearing, it's buried back in there. It'd be difficult to get in to grease it. We've put a high pressure grease line and a greaser right here. Very simple to get to. Make sure we're greasing this on a daily basis, stay on top of it. As we work our way backwards, we've got the bearing on the back side of the tank. Now we don't have a grease line on that one because it's easy to get to. Simple, it's right there in front, easy to get to grease that point. On the box, this rubber slides. So this wing opens and closes. This rubber has to slide in this track or you'll create a ripple in the rubber and it's going to leave a big mark in your material, which we don't want. So we have a grease zerk here on the top of the hinge, and then we have two here along the track. So these are going to get seal coat on them, so just need to know they're here. Sometimes you get a busy day, they may disappear in the seal coat. Just need to be able to clean around it and get those. So I have these on the other side as well, which we'll see. We also have on the spray bar up and down, I've got a grease zerk right here on the side, and then there's one here on the back. So this we have places to get grease into the sliding mechanism so it's not going to fight itself. You got the same on this side. And then on the squeegee box, we have on this side, we've got the same three grease zerks we have shown on the other side. And then obviously the manifold. The grease manifold needs to be greased probably twice a day to fill the grease cavities inside the pump to prevent air from being sucked in over the seals. Obviously there's a lubrication aspect to it, but we're really trying to keep those cavities full of grease to keep it from sucking air in because of our viscous material. Those are the main grease points we have on the machine. I want to make sure we're maintaining that on a daily basis.